2020 Ram 1500 5.7 liter V8 Classic Edition. Still got factory converters there and there. Then it wires into a single, then 3-inch, and we put on a DYNOMAX right there. Part number 17749 turbo muffler. Give it that really nice deep tone. Left the resonator on it. And it's got a factory black tip, or aftermarket, he put it on there. Let you guys hear it in a second. There's the gigantic muffler we took off of it. If you guys want that muffler, there'll be a link in the description for it, hopefully, if we can find it online. There's the DYNOMAX turbo muffler. It's a performance exhaust. We'll let you guys hear it. You'll break in, it's still got fiberglass, so it'll get louder a little bit. About 30 days. If you want it louder, take the resonator off. Again. It's right at 97, 98. Yeah, it's like 97 and a half. About 30-40% more. Run with this for a week or so. You're coming back next week anyway. Go ahead and back it up. Yeah, run it for a week, see how you like it. Take it on highway speeds and stuff, you know. It's got a deep rumble, deeper than the original. It's not obnoxious, but there is a tone difference. What you're seeing smoke is that oil burning off that muffler inside. Yeah, that's the oil, it's normal. Sorry guys, it's been raining, so it's a little bit louder.